Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am making chicken kepsa, which is originally a Middle Eastern dish, but here in Mumbai it is made using Chinese flavors. Here I have taken around 500 grams of chicken. I asked the butcher to cut it into 8 pieces. Now I am making some slits on it so that the marination is well absorbed. Adding some salt as per taste, some ginger garlic paste, some coriander powder, red chili powder, adding to that juice of 1 lemon. Now mix everything thoroughly. I am going to marinate it for 20 minutes. You can also keep it overnight. I had forgotten to add garam masala powder, so adding it now. Now to make the kepsa rice, add some oil in a vessel. Add 1 large onion sliced. Saute the onions until they change color. I've added 1 finely chopped tomato. Adding ginger garlic paste. Saute well until it loses the raw smell. Now adding 1 green chili chopped. Now adding 2 teaspoons of Szechuan sauce. Some soya sauce. Remember that all the sauce that you add is going to be according to your taste, how you like to have it. Adding some green chili sauce. Now add around 5 cups of water and bring it to a boil. I have also added a tablespoon of salt but couldn't get a video of that. I have taken around 400 grams of rice. It is preferable to use long grain basmati rice. Since I didn't have it at home, I used a normal one. I had pre-soaked it for around 20 minutes. I'm going to air fry the chicken pieces. You can even bake it. Here I'm brushing the tray with some oil. I air fried it at around 180 degrees Celsius for 20 minutes and then for 5 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius to get a nice char. After all the water dries up, cover it with a lid and cook it on sim for another 10 minutes. After turning off the stove, add 2 teaspoons of vinegar and some sliced capsicum. If you don't like the flavor of capsicum, you can skip this step. After mixing it well, immediately cover it with a lid. To make the sauce for the chicken, you need 3 teaspoons of Szechuan sauce, some red chili sauce, and half a cup of tomato ketchup. Also add some soya sauce and mix well. You can adjust this mixture according to your taste. If you like it more spicy, you can add some more Szechuan sauce, or otherwise you can add some more tomato ketchup. It is according to your liking. Now I've added some vinegar into it and adding little water. Chicken from the air fryer is ready. So now I'm going to season it with some charcoal. So removing it on a plate. To season the chicken, keep a small bowl in middle of the plate. Put the burnt charcoal and then add some clarified butter and quickly cover it with the lid. Here I am using a glass bowl. Now for the chicken, add some oil in a pan. Add some chopped ginger and garlic. A chopped green chili. You can skip this if you don't want it to be spicy. Adding 1 sliced onion. Saute it till its color changes. Adding some chopped capsicum. You can skip this if you don't like the flavor of it. Now adding the sauce mixture. Let it cook for 2 minutes and then add the chicken pieces. Mix well and then cook for another 3 to 4 minutes. For serving, you'll need a big tray. Spreading the rice on it first. Now for some added flavor, I'm mixing in some chopped spring onions and a scrambled egg. You can also replace it with a boiled egg. Spread the chicken mixture over the rice, and restaurant style chicken kepsa is ready to be eaten. If you like this video, please do give a thumbs up and please do subscribe to my channel, and also make sure that you hit the notification icon. That's it for today. Take care and stay safe.